What's going on, y'all? It's the Cool Teacher, and I'm here today to show you how to graph a line that is perpendicular to this while passing through this point. I'll go ahead and read the question to you. What is an equation of a line that passes through -2, 3 and is perpendicular to y equals 1/2 x minus 1? Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know I've done this for parallel lines. I'll go ahead and link that above. All the steps are really the same. The only difference is I have to turn this into a perpendicular slope. So my first step is to turn this into a perpendicular slope. In order to do that, it has to be the opposite reciprocal of this. You're probably like, huh? Opposite reciprocal. Opposite talks about negative and positive. Right now, this is a positive 1/2, right? So the opposite of positive 1/2 would be negative. And then the reciprocal. Reciprocal basically is when you go ahead and flip the fraction. Whatever is in the numerator goes to the denominator. Whatever is in the denominator goes to the numerator. So this turns into, instead of 1/2, it'll be 2/1. But math is very, very simplified. So in your books, you'll see it written as just 2. But for the sake of this problem, I'm gonna leave it as 2/1 x. So this is the reciprocal of this. So that's your first step. Go ahead and make your slope perpendicular. I'm going to bring everything else down. So my y, my equals, and once again, I'm going to get rid of this +1, turn it into +b. Why am I turning it in +b? Right now, this is slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. I want a perpendicular line, which I did this, but it needs to pass through this point. I need to take these points, -2 and 3, and go ahead and plug them into my equation. And that'll go ahead and tell me what the b is going to be.
Okay.
So for my second step, go ahead and plug my x and y into my x and y in my equation. All right. So my y in this case is going to be 3. So I'll go ahead and put the 3 down. Write down my -2/1. And my x is going to be -2. And the reason it's multiplied because it's right next to that fraction. So I have that, then bring down my +b. Next step, go ahead and solve all of this. First thing I'm gonna do is -2 times 2. -2 times 2 gives me a +4. Bring everything else down. Then keep on solving because I wanna get b by itself. This is an equation, so I have to do the inverse operation to the number on the side with the variable. This is the number on the side with the variable. I need to do the inverse of that. This is a +4. I have to do -4. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do it to the other. This is going to cancel out. 3 minus 4 gives me a -1. Bring down my equal sign. Bring down my b. Then I need to get my answer. This is what I started with, right? Y equals -2/1 x plus b. All I'm going to do is rewrite this. And now that I know what b is, I can put it where it goes. I'm also going to simplify this because there's no need to have 2/1. I can just write 2. So y equals -2, because 2/1 is the same as a whole 2. X plus b, nope, it'll be -1 because -1 equals b. This is a line that is perpendicular to this one that passes through the point -2, 3. All right, this helped you out. Go ahead and share it with other people to help them. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Make sure to like and share, all that good stuff. Other than that, this is the Cool Teacher, and I'm out.